से डरकर पार नहीं होती। नन्ही चींटी जब दाना लेकर चलती है, चलती दीवारों पर सब बार फिसलती है। मन का विश्वास लोगों में साहस भरता है, चढ़कर गिरना गिरकर चढ़ना ना अखरता है। आखिर उसकी मेहनत बेकार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की हार नहीं होती।
when your teachers teach in the class, at least within 1 or 2 days you can see the result. But they have to keep on struggling for days together, months together sometimes to get across things what they really want to teach their kids. So thank you so much, dear sister, and both the sisters and both the teachers. Thank you so much for the hard work that you put in behind. Nobody can see this, Only today because we have come here for this small little program, we can see that. Otherwise, who sees this? An ungrateful job. But then they are doing a wonderful job. And this is very much required. So once again I'm telling your students, go and share it with your parents, with your brothers and sisters, with your friends and relations, with your neighbors, with your classmates and with your schoolmates in the school. And come here, visit this place, share your joys, as I said over there also, share your joys with these children, okay? That will be more meaningful and you'll be more happy, okay, when you come here and share your joy with them, spend time with them, okay? So, the learning that we have got, at least a small little learning today that we have got from here, let us keep it in our heart and our mind and always be sensitive to people who don't have certain faculties which we have got. We have got all the faculties, hearing, sight, speaking, everything, all the faculties God has given us. So let us be sensitive towards others. Let us feel for one another. Only then this world will become a loving place and a peaceful place for all of us to live. Okay? So keep praying also. You must pray for all these people, especially for our sisters. We all need prayers, We all need prayers. Our teachers who are working there. And for our bishop also. It is his interest, It is his guidance, and he's very generous. So he wanted this place for these our special children. Good. Good. Thank you. Good, very good. So, we are here to share our joy with them and be with them to understand their life in a very miniature form. But then to be enriched with that experience and go out to be sensitive to the people. And we have got hearing capacity. You can hear me when I'm talking to you. But if you talk to them, they cannot hear you. Only they understand only sign languages. Okay? Which you are not able to understand. Okay, all the same. So this is an introduction for you to be more sensitive to people who do not have all the faculties, as I said, the other place also. So let us be thankful to God.
Father Anthony, the manager of our school, teachers and beloved children. Our school name is Ashray Vishisht Vidyalaya, run by Diocese, and our father name is Reverend Father Royal Anthony, and our sister is Sister Shanti Priya. We have 20 children here, and they all have neurodevelopmental disorders such as autism and mental retardation. We give them speech therapy, physiotherapy, and also we give them college training. And we teach them. We are very happy to work here. So, on the behalf of our sister Shanti Priya, teachers and our special children, I am here to extend our sincere gratitude to all of you.
सब हमसे मिलने आए, इसके लिए और सुंदर कार्यक्रम को दिखाया, इसके लिए हम सभी बच्चे आपके अभिनंदन, थैंक यू।
We believe that everyone has something unique to share. And today we are here to celebrate all the talents, strengths, and amazing energy that each one of you has. We know that each one of you has things we are really good at and some things that are little harder for us. That's part of what makes each of us so special. You inspire us by showing us that with courage, kindness, and curiosity, we can all overcome challenges and make the world a better place for each other. We are here to enjoy some music, dance, and laughter together. And we hope that today brings you a lot of smiles. So let's make this fun time memorable and some things that we all look back on with joy. Thank you for welcoming us. We can't wait to get started. So let's put our hands together to welcome our wonderful dancers for their upcoming performance now.
जो हो गया उसे सोचा नहीं करते, जो मिल गया उसे खोया नहीं करते। हासिल उन्हें होती है सफलता, जो वक्त और हालात पर रोया नहीं करते। सुप्रभात, मैं कक्षा 8 की छात्रा आप सभी के समक्ष एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। मेरी कविता का शीर्षक है हार नहीं होती। कोशिश करने वालों की हार नहीं होती, लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती। नन्ही चींटी जब दाना लेकर चलती है, चलती दीवारों पर सब बार फिसलते हैं। मन का विश्वास रगों में साहस भरता है, चढ़कर गिरना गिरकर चढ़ना ना अखरता है। आखिर उसकी मेहनत बेकार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की हार नहीं होती। डुबकियां सिंधु में गोता तोड़ लगाता है, जा जाकर खाली हाथ लौट आता है। मिलते नहीं सहज ही होती गहरे पानी में, बढ़ता रहना उत्साह किसी हैरानी में। मिट्टी उसकी खाली हर बार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वाले की हार नहीं होती। असफलता एक चुनौती है, इसे स्वीकार करो। क्या कमी रह गई देखो और सुधार करो। जब तक ना हो सफल तुम, नींद चैन से त्यागो तुम। संघर्ष का मैदान छोड़कर मत भागो। कुछ किए बिना ही जय जयकार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की हार नहीं होती। धन्यवाद।
Activities in our school, and then today we are here with the students of 6th, 7th and 8th of our school, Bishop Conrad Senior Secondary School, Bareilly, for this visit to Ashray Vishisht Vidyalaya. The school name is Ashray Vishisht Vidyalaya, and this has started just recently over here. We had part of this in Janapur Secondary School, if you all know that, but then in a very systematic form, full-fledged, we are having it here under the guidance of Sister Shanti Priya. Sister, please come. Sister Shanti Priya is the head of this institution, and she looks after everything. And we are happy to be here, Sister. And so we clap for Sister.